Hi, scientists! Today we're meeting the measuring superheroes, tools that help us measure things in science. This is Thermy the thermometer. He measures temperature, how hot or cold something is. The numbers tell us the temperature. Meet Bobby the balance. He measures mass, how much stuff is in something. This is Cylinda, the measuring cylinder. She measures volume, how much space a liquid takes up. Always check the lines and numbers. Here's Tick-Tock the stopwatch. He measures time, how long something takes. Press start and press stop. And this is Ruly the ruler. He measures distance, how long or short something is. Line it up from one end to the other. Now, here is your work. State the scientific or SI unit of the following in the comment box below. Temperature, mass, volume, time, distance. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more fun science adventures. See you in the next adventure.